I had to turn this heater off because, well, I'm gonna leave it on 1 moment because it's like need to get warm in here. Okay, I don't want to show y'all messes over here because it is like bad, and see me and my mom have to like clean these stuff up, throw papers away. My mom got old papers. That shit. Oh. What you say? Oh, that's again. Put some stuff, gel stuff in my hair. I should have had just wait first when I wet my hair, and because I was trying to oil my scalp because my scalp was just itching, so I probably should have had wait. But if you do that, I probably tell y'all just wait until you dried up your hair, and if you're gonna do like this, so I just want to let y'all know that, because don't do like what I did. Because I forgot, because when you want to wet your hair and you want your hair curl, don't like put stuff in your hair yet until your hair's dried up good, and you can put some stuff in your scalp, because I think that's the one. This is the, I got it backwards, but this is the CoverGirl provided thick lashes. I love using this. I make my lashes thick when I use this stuff, so. It didn't come out like it supposed to, like a curl hair, but I forgot my hair turned to Afro. That's what my hair be. It turns to like Afro hair. So I put like a bobby pin, bobby pin right here between my hair. I was trying to put my hair like an Afro or something like that, like a curl Afro, like really like a curve really. But my hair is turned to an Afro. So I'm gonna do a way to style different styles I'm gonna try on my hair. I try my best to kind of do this really good with my hair and to kind of make it really, really nice. I'm gonna turn to like like one side of my hair is kind of like my hair like this before, but I never like, you know, put it up like this. So I know it's a little weird when I do this. Okay. I think I have to pull my hair back because doing this, my hair, I can't able to pull my hair back if I try to do this. So with this, I kind of like twist my hair and stuff. Probably shouldn't have did that. My hair, yeah, like this, just kind of part it. I never tried this before, but one day I might do this proud of my hair. And so yeah, but just like, give me some likes, and comment and tell me what y'all think of this, and ask me anything what I do to kind of, if I try to kind of, if your hair or something, just ask me in the comments and I will try my best to answer, or I will make a post video of doing it to give y'all some answers of what I do kind of. And also just subscribe and click the notification. And I'm sorry that my videos, I've taken a while to make a video. It's just I've been trying to rest my mind and had family problems and stuff like that during last weekend, yesterday. So, but I just want to let you know that. And y'all like my next video. So this week I will make another video this week too. So, but there you go, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.